Welcome to another video of Joyroute. In this video, we are checking it out. We are comparing ChatGPT with Google BARD. So ChatGPT, we are very familiar with ChatGPT, and it stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, developed by OpenAI. It is a artificial intelligence chatbot. So even Google BARD, it is developed by Google, and it's an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by Google. So we are familiar with both. So we will be just asking certain questions with the chat GPT, what the answer we get it. And the same question we'll be asking with Google BARD, and we will be comparing how it works, which is good. I mean, not which is good, which is bad, but still we will be comparing both chat GPT and Google BARD. Okay. So we know it. There are chat GPT has got two versions, which is free, and it has got a which is 3.5, and it has got an GPT-4, which is paid, which is version. But bad, it is completely free. It doesn't cost anything. Okay, so I have just googled comparing chat gpt and bad, and what Google says, chat gpt sources end with the 2021 data. So the free version of chat gpt, which is gpt 3.5, give only data till September 2021, and but bad has more data to gather information in real time by accessing the latest search. This is what Google says about its own chatbot. Okay, so let us check in the chatbot. I'm just searching, I'm just asking to chatbot who is the king of United Kingdom, UK. Okay, so as by my knowledge update September 2021, the monarchs of United Kingdom was Queen Elizabeth II. So it has no updated data. It is still showing only data till September 2021. So I'm asking the same question to the BARD. So let us see what BARD gives us. Who is the king of United Kingdom? So it is searching in the, it is processing the answer. The current king of United King is King Charles III. He ascended to throne on September 8, 2022, upon the death of his mother, Queen Elizabeth II. So here we don't get any latest data. Even Chat GPT doesn't know that present UK king. It is not Queen. It is King Charles III. So ChatGPT will not give the latest data. Okay, so we have asked the second question, which is who is the president of India in ChatGPT, and ChatGPT says still the president of India is Ramnath Kovind. So let us check the same question with BARD. So what BARD gives us the answer: who is the president of India? And the person spelling is wrong. Anyway, it is processing. Let's see what BARD says. Who is the president of India? The current president of India is Draupadi Murmu. So it is giving, we have the latest answer, which is free. But here the free version of ChatGPT will not provide us the latest answer. It doesn't know who is the latest, who is the president of India as of now. So it has data only till September 2021. Uh, we have the paid option, which is again $20 per month. So if you choose this chat GPT plus, obviously it will be providing us the latest data, and providing much more data, much more features in that. The free version we cannot trust for the latest updates. Thank you. We'll meet you in another video. Bye.